In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit a Squarespace website, specifically tailoring the lesson for beginners. Our journey starts by visiting the Squarespace website. Straightforward and user-friendly, you will want to explore your main dashboard. This is your central control room, offering you an overview of all your website-related activities and settings. On this dashboard, you will find a list of all the websites that you own or manage. Each of these websites is different and unique just like you, so go ahead and select the one you wish to edit today. Once you have selected the particular website you want to concentrate on, it's time to dive deeper. Locate the Edit option and click on it to enter into what we call Edit mode. Don't be in a hurry here. It can take a few moments to load the site and prepare it for your planned transformations. Use this time to visualize the changes you anticipate making. Now, as the website is loaded properly, your creative journey can truly begin. Observe the website layout. Notice that it's segmented into different sections. It's these sections where you'll be making most of the changes. So go ahead and select one of these sections that you wish to elevate and modify. With the selected section, you will notice an option titled Add Block. The block is a modular unit of your site that allows you to insert different types of content ranging from text, images, or even forms. Click on the Add Block button, which will then prompt you to insert a new element into the website. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. You'll be given various options for the type of block to add. Maybe you want to add an image gallery to showcase your portfolio. Or perhaps you want to add a button that leads to your latest blog post. Or even a contact form to make it easier for visitors to reach out. Select the element or block that best aligns with your goals. But what if the element you want to modify is already present on the website? No problem at all. If you want to edit an existing element, simply look out for the pencil icon next to it. Click on that and you are ready to redefine that element. Now that you have chosen to edit an existing block, Squarespace offers many editing options to make this block unique and representative of your style. They have preset options like design or background that you can use to tailor the block according to your needs. All in all, Squarespace makes editing your website a fun and creative process. With practice and experimentation, you'll be skilled in no time.